Lisa here. I'm a certified face yoga instructor and certified EFT love coach, and today I want to talk about facial rolling. Now, if you don't know about facial rolling, I really like it as a face yoga teacher because it gives your skin a really good workout and your muscles. It's a bit like doing spinning except for your face. And this is really good to penetrate good oils and serums into your skin. I like more the effect of the massage and the workout. And the reason is because it helps drain lymphatic fluid from your face. It increases the circulatory in your face, the blood. So it'll help get rid of toxins, puffiness, dark circles, sagginess, jowls, lines and wrinkles. It helps smooth them all out. So what's to not like about this? And the other thing is that they're commonly known as jade rollers, but jade is actually a warm stone. Rose quartz is a cold stone, so it's good to have it cold. You can put it into the fridge, but this is naturally cold anyway, and because it's naturally cold, you'll really reap more benefits, and it's lovely and smooth. Now, these started in 7th century China and also in Egypt and places, and I love these things that are ancient, that have withstood the test of time, and they work very well because the Chinese were so clever. They understood the body better than us, I think. And we have a lot of meridians in our face that we trigger when we're doing the massage or the rolling. And the reason that we look so nice and get such lovely glowing skin is because it encourages our ki to run in the correct direction. You see, most of the time our ki is running down in the incorrect direction, and that's because we get tired and stressed. And when your ki runs that way, it can lead to blockages in our system. So when our ki is running in the correct direction, it gives our skin a lovely youthful glow. The Chinese believed that they could see the condition of your health in your face. So it's all connected. So when you roll your skin and when you trigger your meridian and acupressure points, you get your body working, so your skin looks really nice. And this is the reason why you will always get a facial, and when you're doing a facial, they'll always give you a nice massage, massage your neck and shoulders and face. And the reason for that is because they know you'll get lovely glowing skin with a massage. So for that reason, my face yoga has a lot of massage techniques, and this as well. So I'll show you how to use it. So I'm going to use Daniel Collins facial serum, and I really like this because it's full of natural botanical ingredients. It's organic and full of plant extracts, and we want this to penetrate into our skin. It's very potent, it smells lovely. I really like it. Lovely and smooth. Now, when you are putting on moisturizer, don't go, I see people going like this. Don't do that. Stretch your skin, get in a little bit of a yoga workout when you're doing your moisturizer. Go. That will increase the blood flow in the long stretch. And press in. You can go down your neck, because that's where the lymph goes, down your neck. And get everything where it should be. Get everything nice and lifted. A little bit of a face yoga there. You always want to work against gravity. Gravity is doing us no favours, ladies. It's dropping everything south even as we speak. So I'm going to show you how I like to roll. So I start up here. I'm going to lift my cheeks. And up here. Now, after each section, you want to do a big flush. So you flush everything out like this. You want to bring the lymph upward, outward, and then down, because here on these points, it's going to meet your circulatory system, so the blood will take away toxins. But you need to first of all move that sluggish lymph out and down. So I'm finished with one section. Now I'm going to go around the lips. Now that will really help get rid of those smoker's lines, those little horizontal lines. Even if you're not a smoker, you can get them, and this will help smooth your skin and plump out your lips. So I'm going to give another big flush. Now I would recommend that you do this before you do your face yoga to warm up your skin. You can do it every morning and every evening for 5 to 10 minutes. This will really help penetrate serums. So now I'm going to do my eyes. I'm going to go around the orbital socket of the eye 3 times. Now in here, the skin is at its most delicate. It's like tissue, it's that thin, and there's no fat under your eyes. It's the hardest area to treat, so be very gentle. You can just press gently. So press gently all around your eyes. I like to press up here as well, because I notice in one eye I can get a little bit of a droopy eyelid, and press around here. Again, I'm just going to give another big flush. I want to move everything out and down. So now I'm going to move up the 11s. You can do across. You really want to, you can really get rid of those 11s. The skin is more elastic than you think. Now I like to move up. You can do 3 strokes. And up your temples. And another big flush, get rid of all that lymph. And I like to work down my neck, because this will help drain away that loose, all that sluggish lymph. And when you get here with the smaller one, encourage it to move away. And I move down the collarbone like this. So this is genuine rose quartz. I have a certification showing that it's genuine. It comes from Brazil. Now it comes with this gorgeous little pink pocket. It looks really nice on your dressing table. When you are cleaning these, I would use something like a face cloth, but it also comes with this gorgeous little pink cloth that's very, very smooth. I wouldn't run it under the tap. This is made very well. As you've noticed, it didn't squeak at any stage. The cheaper ones tend to squeak. Now in the box, it comes with a Guasha tool and a rose quartz, a little bit of rose quartz showing that it's genuine. Now it comes in silk, because the ancient Chinese believed that silk encourages the flow of qi. So when you keep it wrapped in silk, it's very luxurious, and it'll help encourage that lovely glow in our face. So ladies, I will have these on sale. You can't actually buy them in the shops. I will have these on sale at Turner's Cross Community Centre. I'll be there Wednesday night at 7 o'clock. So I'll be selling the tools and the facial serum. So come along ladies and have a lovely workout, give your skin a nice treat. Hi everybody, following on from the video about the roller, I'm going to show you how to use the Guasha tool. The Guasha tool is a really good workout. You're going to see the difference in my skin. It's going to be sculpted and lifted and a little bit red. You know, my skin gives a really good workout. I would use this in the morning and the evening and before your face yoga workout, and I would use this twice a week. Maybe Wednesday and Saturday or Sunday. You can't over roll, but this just twice a week. Now don't use this over Botox. You can do face yoga with Botox, but not this. If you have broken skin, just press it, because the rose quartz has healing properties and it's all about self-love. I chose the rose quartz because I think we should give ourselves a little bit of self-love. So I'm going to roll, scrape up the skin, and do a big flush. Flush it all out. Go around my lips. And around my lips here. I'm just looking in the mirror there. And I would roll up, scrape up, And then I would go up here. Remember, keep everything going up. We want everything nice and perky and youthful. No sagging skin. You can go down your nose, but I like to keep everything up. In between here for the 11s. And then go up your forehead. Again, give yourself a nice flush. We're going to flush all that out. So you can see there already that my skin is after getting a little bit red. You can see that the blood is coming, and that's going to increase the circulation and get rid of toxins and help smooth out your skin. Again, I was saying I chose the rose quartz roller because it looks so pretty, but also because we owe ourselves a little bit of self-love. It's good to take a little bit of time for yourself. Now, there's no polish on these, there's nothing artificial, and I wouldn't use any harsh chemicals to clean it. Just use the little cloth that it comes with. It's a gorgeous little pink cloth, or a face cloth. So I'm going to scrape up here. Now you can continue doing these movements for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just going to leave it at that because I don't want another big long video. I'm going to move that lymph down. Now, again, keeping here, I'm going to move all that lymph down my neck. This will really help with crepey skin on your neck, like so. And again, try to shift that sluggish lymph. And here we go. Down here. Move down, move it out and down. Now you can do this a little bit longer. Keep it going for 15 to 20 minutes. If you keep doing these, use the roller, the Guasha tool and your face yoga. You will notice in a month massive difference. Like any exercise, there's no point in going to the gym just once and thinking, oh, I never have to do it again, I'm perfect. Keep doing it. Consistency is key. And use it with, I use Danielle Collins's facial serum. I will be selling these kits on the night. I'll be selling it in Turner's Cross Community Centre at 7 p.m. on Wednesday night, and the Douglas Yoga Rooms, I'll be there on Sunday at 2 p.m. You can't buy these in the shops. I had to search far and wide to find these lovely sets, and they will be on sale in the night. And again, it comes in that lovely satin, that lovely silk. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep using your Guasha roller and keep smiling, ladies. It's the best exercise for your face.